Ride a high energy, cinematic song about Napoleon Bonaparte that captures his relentless hard work, battlefield genius, and rise from a humble officer to Emperor of France. The song should feel intense and inspiring, filled with ambition, courage, and unstoppable momentum. Highlight his legacy, leadership, and the way history still echoes his name. The sound should feel like marching armies, thunderous drums, and a tired fit flyer standing tall.